Good morning. It is, I don't even know what time it is. I woke up like 10 minutes ago and just laid in bed and contemplated going back to sleep. It is 9:51. You can't see that. 9:51. I gotta get going on homework, but I can't believe I look like this. This is disgusting. So I just ate breakfast. It wasn't anything exciting. Like, I'm not gonna film me eating because that's kind of gross. Like, ASMR I get, but like I don't want to film me eating. But I just had 2 bowls because I was starving of shredded wheat because it's so good. It's so good. I'm putting on some lip balm. My friend got me this. Thank you, Owen. It is the Carmex strawberry one. I don't like the smell of regular Carmex. Like, it's the medicated one and it smells like blech. So I can vibe with this scent. But it is now 10:15. I've just been watching YouTube, chilling, eating my breakfast, and I think I'm gonna start working on homework because I want to get like a majority of it done and then maybe take a little break and then do some later because I need to clean my room. So hopefully today's gonna be a really productive day. I have 3 dance classes tonight, so I have to do those and it's gonna be really fun. Hello. So I just finished some of my schoolwork. I'm gonna take a break. I get like really weird bursts of motivation later at night, so I finished like half of my schoolwork for the day. I made a schedule last night, so it is now 11:10 and I'm going to get ready for the day. I'm gonna wear something red and green because it is the Watermelon Sugar music video release day. My sister is a super fan of Harry. I'm a fan of Harry. We're going to see him in July if it doesn't get canceled. So I'm going to wear something red and green. I want to do like an eyeshadow look that's like watermelon. So we'll see. Here is the fit. I have this long sleeved red Champion t-shirt and then I have these green camo biker shorts. And so I'm feeling very ready for the Watermelon Sugar music video release. I got an Ulta gift card for my birthday, so I think I'm gonna go on the Ulta website and look at a few products. I love makeup shopping, but I haven't done it in a while, which is kind of odd for me. But I also got some, curbside pickup. I think I just want it sent to my house though. So I have $30 on this card, so I'm gonna just check on the website for things I want. We're gonna go straight to the makeup section just because I'm meléna and I like makeup. I'm looking in the ColourPop section right now, but there's free standard shipping over $35. This is $30 on its own. So all I need is like $5 and I have some money, so I'm just gonna go crazy. Oops. So they have a few eyeshadow palettes on the Ulta website with ColourPop, but they all look really pretty, don't get me wrong, but I already have like eyeshadows in colors that look exactly like it. So I'm looking at these 2 products right here. I don't have a lot of primer left. Like, I have an e.l.f. primer and I don't really use primer a lot, so I want to really try out this Pretty Fresh hydrating hyaluronic acid primer. And then I also want another liquid liner, so I'm maybe looking at this BFF liquid liner. I have looked at this set from Morphe constantly and I've just never picked it up. It's the Eyestunner 6-piece brush collection and bag. I don't really care for the bag. I just really want the brushes, and like they're 6 for $20, which is not bad at all, especially considering they're Morphe brushes. So I think I'm gonna pick this up too. I'm $3 away from free shipping, and shipping is literally $6, so I could save $3 and get a whole nother product. So obviously I'm gonna hop on that. This looks really purple, but I promise it's blue like on the website. It is their Acai You bite-sized eyeshadow palette, which I've never tried e.l.f. eyeshadows, so I think I might pick this up. Okay, estimated tax is only like $2, so I'm not really worried about it, and I'm going to enter in my gift card. Time to go bother my mom. My mom's in a meeting right now on Zoom in my dad's office at our house, so she said afterwards she's gonna help me, and the reason I need help is because I don't have my own credit card. I'm 14 years old and I have no need for a credit card, so she helps me by like putting in her credit card information, and then I just pay her the money, so then she has the money and I paid for it without like having my own credit card. That did not make sense. Anyways, I'm gonna watch YouTube. Checked in a while, so pretty much I just sat downstairs with my sister. It is now 1:14. I need to clean my room, so I'm gonna do that. I ate a bowl of cereal for lunch too. I've literally had 3 bowls of cereal today. Oops. This is what my bed looks like now. I've been really off schedule. Like, I literally make my bed like at most once a week. So I'm trying to get back on a schedule of having my bed made, but I'm probably not going to do that. So here's the one time it's going to be made. I took out all my BTS albums, which this is my BTS wall. I need to hang up one of my posters again, but I'm going to put all my albums back. So I'm going to try to do a snap transition. Yeah, I don't know where my army bomb is. It's in my room somewhere under the piles of crap, so I'm going to find it. So I don't know if you guys watch Haley Pham and Ryan Trahan, but they're a couple. They are both YouTubers and they just got engaged. I've been watching Haley since she was like 14, 15. I think she was like 15 when I started watching her, which was like 4 years ago. Like, she's 19 now and she's engaged, which is so awesome. And I love watching Ryan Trahan's videos. His videos are hilarious. Haley's are amazing, so I'm really excited for them. I think I threw out, or no, I think I was going to donate these makeup bags, but I kind of need one because I have so much lip gloss, or not lip gloss, lip balm, so I need to find those bags. I really think I donated it. Where am I supposed to put my lip balms now? Let me pause my girl Des. Okay, so over here I have like my shaving cream, my extra like shower gels, dry shampoo, lotion, deodorant. I also have my lip balm in there, but I moved it. Okay, we're going over here. So these are where my essential oils are, and I keep them over here, and then I just put all my lip balms up there so I can grab them whenever. And then my, oh my god, I knocked it over. My diffuser's right there. So I'm now in the bathroom. I start my first dance class at 4. It is 3:03 in the afternoon, so I'm going to wash my face. Did not wash my face this morning, so I'm gonna do my morning skincare at 3 in the afternoon. So I'm not gonna really show you guys just because I want to do like a morning and night skincare routine in one video. Maybe I'll film that tomorrow, who knows, but I'll talk to you all in a second. I finished my skincare. I feel so good now, and I brushed my teeth and did some mouthwash. So I'm just gonna put on very minimal makeup, and when I say minimal, I'm doing inner corner highlight and mascara, and that's it. Just because I have 3 hours of, no, I have 3 dance classes tonight, and they're 45 minutes a piece. So what's that? 2 hours and 15 minutes. So a little over 2 hours, and I do not want my pores to get clogged. Like, I did all that skincare, and if like no one's gonna see me because we're on Zoom, like, so they can still see me, but like I'm not talking the whole time, so people aren't like looking at my screen, then I don't think it really matters. And my skin's not been in bad shape recently. I have like, if I go up close, you can see there's like tiny bumps all over my forehead, and then there's some like blackheads on my chin and stuff, but other than that, I feel like I don't have anything like massive that I really want to cover up. So I'm just gonna be chilling with my mascara. I have lyrical, and then I have a conditioning class, which I don't know if we're conditioning today or we're just doing a jazz combo, but we're going to also be doing a jazz combo with one of our teachers. And then I have another lyrical class to end the night. I take an extra lyrical, like I have a competition one, and then I take an extra one during the week. So I have like that class first, which we do a ballet bar to warm up, which is going to be really, really nice. So I'm excited for that. This is like my busiest day of classes for my online dance schedule. 3 classes is about the max of what I have for online. Now I'm gonna get this mess of hair into a ponytail. I'm gonna go downstairs. My dance class is in less than a half an hour, so I will talk to you guys after that. I have not updated y'all in a while, so I took class like 2 hours ago. It was my first lyrical of the night, and now I have conditioning, so I have to go up and get on the Zoom. But me and my mom went in the car for like an hour or two just to drive around, but I just didn't want to bring my camera and like shove it in her face, and I just want to have some nice conversation with her. So yeah, I'm gonna go take class. Currently muted, but I just got done with conditioning, and now I have my company lyrical, and we actually have a guest teacher, so it's muted right now, so they can't hear me, but I can hear them. So I'm really, really excited because I really like this teacher. She does kind of like a cool lyrical contemporary mix, and I really, really like it, so I'm excited. She has the coolest improv prompts ever. Like, we're gonna try to mirror. Ooh, sorry. So we're gonna try to mirror one of the girls. She's a senior this year, and we're gonna like watch her improv and try to copy it.
Her improv drives your improv for the next minute and a half.
That's cool. Okay, so she's doing 2 counts of 8, and then we have to like be inspired by that. So I'm done with my class. It is now 8:55. I've just been on my phone for a few minutes. Oh my god. I thought that curl was mascara. I was gonna be like, girl. But I'm staying up till midnight tonight because May 19th is one of my best friend's birthdays. So I'm gonna stay up till midnight. But I'm probably not gonna vlog until midnight. I'll probably just show you guys like washing my face, because I'm probably not gonna do anything interesting except go through TikTok until midnight. And I have a lot of footage and I wanna edit. So I'm gonna go upstairs, wash my face. And yeah, that's gonna be it for the night. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you all to the moon and back. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.